Hi everybody, it's Honest John. When I was a kid, teenager, I remember picking up an album by Frank Zappa and the Mothers of Invention. And there was this one song where they kept repeating the refrain, "It can't happen here. It can't happen here. No, it can't happen here." And all the things that they were talking about in the song were things that were happening here. And we're watching these riots over in Great Britain, and I bet you some of us are saying that same thing. But you know, all of the things that have driven the British people to the streets exist right here. See, a riot doesn't just happen. A riot is when the pressure on the population is so great that finally it explodes. A riot is the people saying to the leaders, "You have failed." Now, I don't know a whole lot about England. I'm not going to pretend like I do. I know a little bit. I know they elected a conservative government and they put in all these austerity measures, and that unemployment is high and the economy's not growing over there. So people don't have jobs and they're broke and they're frustrated. Now the same thing's happening here, you know. The Republicans forced a whole bunch of austerity measures on the people while protecting the rich. Now I don't know if that's happening over in England, but it's damn well happening here. And believe me, people are getting frustrated, people are getting pissed. People are asking this one simple question: why should I have to sacrifice when the people that have the most don't? I was in LA. I live in LA. I was here for the Rodney King riots. The Rodney King riots weren't about Rodney King. Rodney King was the symbol of everything that was wrong. Just as I understand over in England there was an incident, a police killing. And I don't know whether the police were in the right or in the wrong. I know they were in the wrong in the Rodney King case. But I don't know what happened over in England with that. I do know this, that that's the symbol of everything that's wrong. So those same conditions exist right here. They do. They exist right here. Yes, we need to get our deficit under control. But we should have been worrying about that back when all that money was being spent. Right now, we need to focus on getting our economy going. And if that involves spending a little money, then we need to spend the money. We need to get it from the people who have it. And that's that top 2% that are being let off so easily, and the corporations that we're subsidizing. Bad enough people are broke, but money is being taken out of their pockets and handed to the rich and the corporations. So, believe me, there's a lot of frustration here in America. And if things keep on as they're going, there will be riots. And we got a lot of cities here in America. See, in England, they're just having problems with London. Riots haven't spread to other cities, as far as I know, and I hope they don't. But in the United States, I'll tell you something. Once the riots start happening, they'll spread from city to city across this country like a virus. So, before that happens, we can stop it. Because let me tell you something. Leaders, you have failed. Don't make the people have to destroy cars and buildings and hurt people in order to communicate that to you. You failed. You need to get working, solving the real problems. You need to get working to get people working. If they don't, those riots are going to happen. Some of you will probably be a part of it. I might be a part of it. But look, this time when the riots happen, don't destroy your neighborhood. Go where the rich people are. Destroy their shit. Go where the Republicans are. Destroy their shit. They deserve it. Maybe then they'll think about you. Thanks for listening.